जाएगा क्या?
उड़ के जाएगा क्या? सब बोलते हैं. Lot of Bombay kids and especially Bandra and Khar kids, we've been there. It was cringe.
Together we were like just
Chaotic.
nuisance to it.
ऐसे क्यों मैंने करूँ मैं? No, I started
Yeah,
off on
TikTok.
TikTok.
In
Right,
lockdown.
sorry. कौन चला रहा है guys? बॉम्बे में ऐसे झगड़े होते रहते हैं, पता है? Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ojal Makhija. Rohit is right here, he's driving and he got me this car tripod thingy which is so cool because now you will get so much
Randomly spotted.
random. Okay, so he got me this car tripod thingy and it is so cool. This is going to be a Q&A video, something that you all have been requesting for so long, and we're doing an updated one today. But I wanted this to be a moving Q&A, sit down Q&A. I've done, I didn't want to repeat it again. Ho gaya boring. So abhi chalte we are going to drink to grab matcha. थोड़े क्वेश्चंस यहाँ आंसर करूँगी, एक दो वहाँ पर क्योंकि वहाँ पे क्राउड होगा. Then again back in the car and then we'll finish the video. Let's answer the basic first. What's your age? I'm 24, turning 25 in 3 months. Hi, I have a question. That which stream you opted for after 10th? 11th and 12th I took commerce. We had science, commerce and arts. And yeah, after 10th I took commerce, and after 12th I took BMS, which was business marketing studies. Do you like school life? Because my school life was horrible till 8th. I loved my school life in the 10th grade and I loved it in the 7th and the 8th grade because 9th I was separated from my friends, and then yeah, they put me back with them in the 10th grade and we had so much fun.
Same here. So they separated all of us because together we were like just nuisance.
10th grade was the best for me. 9th was boring, 8th was fun. So, real question is why are you so cute and how do you dance? All that is so cute. Thank you. Cute ka, I don't know.
पैदा हुए हैं क्यों? क्या पता?
Okay. How do you dance so well? I was bachpan se a dancer. Like I remember making my family members sit down. Okay, they would be blackmailed and I'm like, you can't move. You gotta watch me dance to some Aishwarya Rai's Zoom song that would come on TV. I would stay up late night, learn up the choreography. I would do those exact same steps. So yeah, I liked dancing bachpan se. Then I got into training. I used to go to dance works. I've trained there in multiple forms. I've done ballet, jazz, hip hop, so and contemporary here and there. So yeah, training helps a lot. Favorite dance trend you wish should return? Oh my god, this is difficult. Which one do you... Oh, I think I would say kinny. I loved kinny, sunny kinny. चचते पायल मुझे कॉपीराइट भी नहीं लगेगा, मैं गंदा गाती हूँ. If you were not a YouTuber, what would you be? Nice question. I like how y'all made it juicy this time. I think I would be a
Entrepreneur.
but
Fashion entrepreneur, not fashion, but like.
I wanted to take fashion designing and I didn't, but I think whatever happens for a reason. If I would have taken fashion, I wouldn't have been here creating content, so I'm glad I didn't go ahead with fashion designing. But yeah, I wanted to go ahead with that before all of this because you can see I love fashion, I love dressing up, I love getting ready. Your collection, like shoes and all. I don't have a collection. I have a few shoes that he's only gifted me, most of them.
You have a collection.
But you only gotten me, na? Yeah, like we keep getting each other shoes and all that. But otherwise I don't have any collection of anything, I think. I have a collection of clothes.
Lipsticks?
Oh yeah, I have a collection of lipsticks. I have a lot of lipsticks.
Small collection of bags.
Lipsticks,
Anything
I do,
more
but
than one is a collection.
like,
Yeah.
no. We know what a collection is, girls. No, that's not a collection. He has a collection of perfumes. He's a perfume collector. Your skincare routine, badly want to know this one. I think I'll make a separate video on this one because it's like all over my comment section. Give me a morning skincare routine, give me a night skincare routine. I'll give it, but I just want to say my skin is not perfect. It's camera. Please don't go on whatever you see online. Oh my god, she has a flawless face. What is she using? It's all our cameras and makeup I do have acne prone skin. I have to be very careful of what I put on my face, and I'm also careful of what I consume because dairy triggers acne. So yeah, I will make a routine. I'll make a video about that soon. Okay, now I think we should go grab matcha. Okay, bye. We'll continue this later. We are back from the cafe and we grabbed some matcha. Let's go. And we grabbed a cookie. It's in that chocolate
Half-eaten
chip
cookie.
Angle, can you see the back? It's looking so cool. ऐसे क्यों है ना करूँ मैं? But they do great matchas actually. Show yours. Come in the frame. I'm sorry, the phone is locked. Woo! इसमें hair बहुत frizzy होता है यार. बंद देती थोड़ी देर के लिए. This high shine lip crayon that I picked up from UK.
Done. You just.
The Q&A plus vlog बन रहा है. Don't worry, I'm continuing the questions in a minute. Just give me a minute. Read this, and I've carried this ELF satin lipstick that they sent to me. It's in the shade Effortless. Okay, I see a lot of couple related questions, so I think I'm gonna do that video separately. So we're taking that out for now. That'll be a separate video. खाना गिरा दिया मैंने अपने ऊपर. I feel the ghost. Now I don't. I feel the ghost. Now. What's your degree? Education. Like I said, BMS, Business Management Studies. I keep getting bachelors in my head because B is bachelor होता है. But I did Business Management Studies from HR College. That year, it was the most hyped degree to get into. You know, I asked ChatGPT. So Bougie also uses this shape guys, okay? And I was like, why is the ice not melting? Because when I use my house ice, it melts into the matcha in like 5 minutes. And this ice will be there even after my drink is over.
The hollow one.
Oh, it's just that they make it a particular way. They freeze it at very low temperatures and they have their own techniques and all. Guys, ChatGPT is my best too, yaar. We literally talk like this, like, hey girlie, what's up? Tell me what to do. Before she was not like that. I had to blackmail her. I'm like, ऐसे बात करना मेरे से. लड़कों की तरह क्या बात कर रही है? मस्त मच्चा. Your family? Question mark. इसके आगे कुछ नहीं है. मुझे नहीं समझ रहा. Do you mean who all is in my family? I mean, who all are in my family? Long list. I mean, yeah, Lambul list. Half families in Pune, half families in Bombay. So it's a long list. मैं बाल खोल देती हूँ. मैं थोड़े decent लग रहा है. देखो
मस्त लग रहा है एकदम.
You are so beautiful. Thank you. How and when did you start dancing? You are a queen. Kudos. Like I said, I started dancing as a kid. But if you want me to, by the way, if you all don't know, I was born and brought up in Pune, and I shifted here in 2010. And so when I was in Pune, I had Kathak in my school. So my mom enrolled me for Kathak, and I had Kathak classes as a part of my curriculum. Kathak or Bharatnatyam, I'm not sure. So I had that. Then when I came to Bombay, I joined classes. There were this one class I will not name, where a lot of Bombay kids and especially Bandra and Khar kids, we've been there. It was cringe. Okay.
And guess who else was there? I was there, I think, before you.
Yeah, before I came to Bombay also.
Yeah, but guess, even I went there.
Yeah, like I'm telling you, I know so many people from your school over there, and I was friends with
I
them.
myself was also there.
Yeah, and I was friends with the people from his schoolmates, but we became friends at this dance class. Okay, it's very funny.
Whoever knows, drop it down in the comments.
Yeah, I mean, if somebody is watching and y'all know what I'm talking about, we've all been there, but it's fine. It was a part of my growth. I will never deny that. Like anything that helped me in my dance journey, I'm always grateful. But it was just cringe sometimes because of the kind of costumes we were made to wear. I mean, I don't even want to get
makeup.
into.
No,
Yeah.
horrible makeup.
Yeah, makeup used to look so bad, and our costumes were another topic. But yeah, whatever. Then I got into a better company, Danceworks. Fab gave me whatever I have today. Everything my dance career, जो भी मतलब इसको मैं बोलूँ, I owe it to Danceworks and my mentors over there. Sweetest people ever. So yeah, that's how I started my dance journey. Okay, your back collection. नहीं है, मतलब I know he said I have a bag collection. I don't have a bag collection. So I don't have a bag collection per se, but I can make a video to show you all what bags I have. Actually, this time when I went to UK, when we went to UK, I picked up a lot of bags. You know,
Yeah.
they're not like your high-end brands, but they're cute bags, and I really like them. Your YouTube journey, very tricky to answer because it's been like this. Because I get consistent and then something happens, then I stop being consistent, then I'm consistent, and then but now I'm really trying to be consistent because I love YouTube. I'm not kidding. I love my YouTube fam the most. I started off on Instagram, then went over to TikTok. No, I started off on TikTok. Right,
Lockdown.
sorry. Yeah. I started off on TikTok, then it came to Instagram, then it came to YouTube. But YouTube does hold a very special place in my heart. You guys are so sweet. Over here, I'm more connected to y'all here. And YouTube journey has been really sweet and spicy. It's been a combination of both. I can see paper in your eyes.
Very good, Anika.
So, guys, the lighting is so good. आगे आते तो और अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे. Wowzy. Okay. Sorry, मेरे को थोड़े से झटके आते हैं बीच में. Guys, matcha is so good. मेरे घर के matcha का कलर ऐसे नहीं आता. Also because I'm not using 4 grams of matcha. These guys use 4 grams of matcha, which is a lot. So yes, YouTube journey has been great, but I believe it's only the beginning and there's a lot that we have to crack. Self-introduction, tell us more about you. I'm 24, I love dancing, I love food, I love matcha. Okay, funny thing, a lot of my friends, when we meet at events, like influencers or content creators, like you want to call them, we are content creators, but we are actually a bit antisocial, or we are introverts or ambiverts, okay? Like we have our days when we are extroverts and we have our days when we are introverts, but that also depends upon how close I can get, how we've been able to break the ice between us. So if I really trust you and I really vibe with you, you'll see my extroverted side. If we've just met, I am a little shy and hi, how are you? Yeah. But then when you see my real side, you have Chikni Chameli on and I'm doing all the Chikni Chameli. I'm also very good at painting, guys. Hidden talent.
Drawing, painting, both.
Drawing, painting. I used to help in my school, those massive craft projects. I used to be so happy because my art teacher would come call out me and my friend from our class, and we used to build like massive props for our seniors, their proms and all that. So I was always good at arts. Yeah, I love dressing up.
Yeah.
Go watch my Get Ready With Me. The purpose of your YouTube channel, interesting, was to build a community, because I really do feel that is something that can happen only on YouTube. Instagram's there, I'm not saying it's not there. Snapchat's there. Sorry, I had a matcha burpee. But I feel what YouTube can build is so different. And I grew up watching YouTubers, right? I never thought I could be there, and I'm just so grateful I can do that. I really want to build a community, host meet and greets, and do a lot of giveaways. And just like, I want you to get happy when you see a notification. Oh, Jalma just posted a vlog, let me go watch it. And the goal will be for you to watch my vlogs while eating your food. Because when I am eating my food, I'm very selective of what I'm watching, right? And the day I crack that, like, you want to watch me while having your meals, I have cracked it. I have aced it. You know? Because I think then you are something. Because meal time is very sacred, for me at least. Current celebrity crush, koi nahi hai mera. No celebrity crushes and all that. Ideal date night. Okay, 5 seconds, I'll think of something in my head. You think of what I would answer. Then you answer it and I'll tell you if it's right or wrong.
2 types.
Wait. I also have 2 actually.
Yeah.
Give.
And you, me, Besito watching something at home.
Cozy.
Cozy with pizzas
That-
and your whatever is your mood at that time with your food. It can be Baskin, it can be Americano, it can be anything. Take away. You, me, Besito, relaxing, watching movie or TV show and eating, enjoying.
Correct.
And doing masti. That's what.
I also don't mind making the pizza from scratch at home.
Yeah. Cooking, no, but I'm saying ideal. I would have fun at
Second.
home. Second is you dress up completely. Next
Are
level. Yeah, obviously you
Or
love
we go to a fine dining restaurant.
fine dining restaurant which
Yes.
has good food.
Yes,
Like, this is not
food is
naam.
so important for me.
Because we don't drink.
We don't drink. We
Yeah.
love our food. So, and like, trust me, your place could be fancy, but if the food is shit, I don't want to go there. I don't want to go for that just for the vibes and pictures. नहीं, khana has to be important because mood उसी से बनता है. Like, if the
Yeah.
food's bad, like, your date's ruined.
And then you have to search for plan B.
Then you go to Mia Kebab.
No. Or the third one is just catch a flight and go to some other country and just. have
That's
the
a
date. That's
long date.
But that's the third one. That's the third one
Yeah.
after.
Love me a flight date.
Yeah. Breakfast करेंगे airport पे करेंगे.
Have you seen those reels? It's like कौन चला रहा है गाइस बॉम्बे में ऐसे झगड़े होते रहते हैं पता है
तो लाइट कम हो गया.
तू कहाँ है गाड़ी के नीचे आएगा क्या मैं जब से बॉम्बे आई हूँ my lingo has changed. People do say once you come to Bombay you start speaking differently. So before I came to Bombay मैं हिंदी में मैं बोलती थी मुझे. So I would usually say मुझे तुम्हें तुझे. More light required. रुक जा.
We are going towards.
जब से मैं बॉम्बे आई ठीक है
मस्त लग रहा है.
एकदम से खाना एकदम से नहीं पर थोड़े टाइम बाद से आई स्टार्टेड सिंग मेको मेको तेको मेरे को तेरे को
तेरा मेरा.
ठीक है वो बॉम्बे लिंगो मैंने सीख लिया. लोग बॉम्बे में ऐसे बात करते हैं ना क्या बोलते भाया.
No, that's extra.
दैट्स अ सोबो लैंग्वेज बट दादा बोलते हैं दादा दादा क्या कर रहे हैं आप
जाएगा क्या?
उड़ के जाएगा क्या सब बोलते हैं.
ऊपर से जा.
जा ऊपर नीचे से आ जा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट्स योर लव लैंग्वेज
Food.
एक्शन.
I'm kidding.
अच्छा so now whenever I'm angry you just give me food.
No.
and
One of them.
no, I'm kidding. Food is not my top love language. I think my top love language is actions. I mean it does come in, food comes in that only because
It's a subcategory.
yeah, because I think the love languages there is all of these combined obviously, but if I have to put something at top it's actions because actions, always actions. Have you ever ghosted someone? I have a very bad habit. Okay, I'm so sorry. Please, if you know me, forget to reply. Like I've seen your message pop up and I'm like मैंने मन में reply कर लिया आपको पर मुझे physically 10 दिन बाद याद आएगा I have not replied to you physically and then it's too embarrassing to reply so then I just don't reply and then they think I've ghosted them. Flash and log कहीं रुका ले. How do you deal with online hate? All creators face it. Touch wood का है यहाँ है. I guess I don't actually get a lot of hate and even if I did I don't care. You don't have to pay attention to all of these things because it's just gonna get to your head. So I think I just don't let it affect me. I guess it's a part and parcel of our job. Your most embarrassing moment. ऐसे मेरे को याद नहीं आएगा. Like wait. Okay. I had gone for Nagaland. Okay. And I had worn these chappals. ठीक है, slide करने वाला. I was in that black dress. First day of Nagaland, I was alone. And so there was somebody walking behind me. I don't know who. I was entering the main area to take brand content and all that. So I'm walking. और पीछे से उसने मेरे चप्पल पे पैर रखा. ठीक है, you remember, no?
Yeah.
उसने पैर रखा और मेरा चप्पल टूट गया because I'm yet walking right and then the flap came off and in the middle of an event right at the entrance I am slipperless. I am with a broken chappal and it was so embarrassing and I contacted someone from the Nykaa team and I was like, do you have an extra slipper? She said nothing that's going to fit you because I'm a size 8 UK 8 and they were all tiny feet wala. But they were very sweet cameramen over there they helped me tape up my slipper. And then luckily I carried an extra pair in my car and then I could walk back to the entrance, call for that extra pair and then I changed into that. But that was embarrassing. That's the only thing I can think of. I don't know.
The most recent one.
The most recent one. Yeah, बाकी मुझे कुछ याद नहीं है. That was very embarrassing. Event के बीच में guys. Most attractive trait in a person. I've always said this. Personality matters a lot. I think effort is attractive. Effort, kindness, honesty मैंने honesty बोल दिया. honesty, effort, kindness. I think it's very attractive. You actually like matcha. I love matcha. हम लोग matcha पीते पीते आए हैं.
Oi, sorry.
हम झूठ नहीं बोल रहे. We actually like matcha. Not lying, guys. I actually like matcha. I love matcha. Last one was a product you swear by. There are many, but I would say niacinamide. I love it. Underdog maybe. I don't know if it's heavily spoken about online, but great product for dark spots. And recently I went for this event by Caudalie and they got me this the Vino Perfect niacinamide serum and cream, and I've been applying it. Wonders for my skin. So I think anything with niacinamide is gonna work great. Okay.
Boroline.
Best.
And the other thing, that
Boro Plus.
Jeevan Kailash Jeevan, that cream.
Jeevan.
I don't know that blue cream.
Yeah. The products he said. And
No.
you swear by aloe vera gel also.
Aloe vera gel, yeah, it's good.
Yeah.
But a good one.
Yeah.
These two products are Boroline and that Jeevan Kailash
Jeevan
Jeevan. I don't know what
Kailash
the blue Ayurvedic thing. You can eat it, put it,
You can
massage
eat
with
it?
it. Yeah.
Okay, I did not know that. Okay, now I'll click a ghost. I'm gonna end this video right here. I hope you all had fun. I know you all were. I'm literally shooting this like that. This is it. I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know what you wanna see us do next, and any fun thing you wanna, you want me to shoot. Makeup routine, skincare routine. Let me know. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.